In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Big Cartel account. Whether you're streamlining your online presence or simply taking a break from e-commerce, I'll guide you through this process step by step. Rest assured, by the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to smoothly close your Big Cartel shop. First things first, let's head over to Big Cartel's website and log into your account. Make sure to have your credentials on hand for easy access. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Big Cartel dashboard. This is your control panel from where you manage all aspects of your online store. Take a moment to look around if you're unfamiliar, but don't spend too long as today's focus is on closing down your account. On the dashboard, locate and click on the Account section. This is generally found in the top navigation bar. It's important because this is where most of your store settings and personal information resides. Clicking on this will take you to a page detailing your personal and business accounts. Now scroll down to the section labeled Plan and Billing. This is an important area dealing with your financial commitments to Big Cartel. It's here that you want to click on Manage Plan. Don't worry, no changes will be made to your billing preferences just yet, but this is your path toward account closure. With the Manage Plan window open, the next step is crucial, locating and clicking the Close Shop button. It's pretty clear what happens at this point, but let's be absolutely sure before proceeding. When you click Close Shop,